Please, can you tell me your name, your age, your position in this community?
Obana Ebisao say Obetimi Akan Bika Crafa any Dibia in fair wedding any Dibia or
Seven and look your mom water. Many prepare him. Mia Messiah or Hino, in Hino. Medin fear a do you see a night?
Yeah, the link Queen Mother say is called Nana Equiamwa Guatemala, and she is the Queen Mother here of this very community, and at the same time acting as a chief, since we don't have any chief here currently, and she's 69 years of age.
So please, can you tell me a little history about Pipie? How we got the name Pipie?
So say Ubetimi Akan Bika Cra a year a fat abacosem factory be idea a quite a fast way being a cry if I know the
quite a fast way being a popular. Ye di kai e buy. Na ye buy na ye frɛ aha ahurija. Ene ahurija. Ana ye sa to aso. Bo so twene we pro no na ye sa to aso na ye be ye npipi kuma e de pipekese. Na di dra ye de pipeke no. Emra ye ba no. Na papi e frɛ na ho ngani no. Papi bebrebe sisia. Ana ye se de mo yenko papi yase.
She said that when they settled here in the olden days, with the olden people, when they first settled here, there were a lot of the pipie tree more around here. So it was first called so this place was first called Ahurija, and it was later transferred to Pipie, because there was a plenty of trees here that was named after it. That's why they named it Pipie. So the name came from the tree. Yeah.
So please, can you tell me about a little brief about your chieftaincy and how you became Queen Mother of this?
And the jack, Anna, Yena, no, you gonna buy until you buy, no, you better with tomb for. I know tomb for the amount contents again. Contents, I could not say a yoko, and now, oh boy, I yoko henny, and a my buy. Now, you better now contents a hand in the bosom be. I be see, and was a moon pop, no more concord time a bosom.
She says that she's from the native of the clan of Eko, and when in the olden days their forefathers came to seek permission here, so they first settled on the king of the Ashanti Empire, that's Otumfuo Osei-Tutu. The olden times, they went to the king over there to seek permission to come to this land. So the king then time referred them to the king of Kontanase. So they went there to seek under his permission to come to this place. So that's how it all came about. And that's how they came to settle up here.
So please, how many generations of kings and queens up to date?
You know, Obisa say, Entotuaso, Ahemfo, Omato Tuason. Wow, bit me Edwin Nebu, and I'll bit me a can. enjoto aso no dodo a ahemfo dodo a mama atena so
Oh.
Emu de nipa mbeto no aye baako emi na nakwaji ena ofiri ho na mebla Latif ana ofiri ho na mebla Ejepon obedi nti Ejepon no na yitu so a menso maba
ti Japan kwaji
na kwaji
ne dika na Latif
bo e fe no bochi
kwaji ne dika Latif na Japan no wonder. Okay, so the Queen Mother is saying that since she started growing up here, she came to meet, she has witnessed 3 dynasties. That's a king called Kweje, whom she first saw when she was a child, and another king came to succeed him, was called Kweje, not the autonomy. Latif Wache also came to succeed Kweje, and after Latif Wache came Nana Japan, and after Nana Japan, now is the current Queen Mother here. Yeah, so like 3 dynasties.
So please, how many years have you ruled this village?
Nana obisa say in fear do say na obetena so what mean in fear yes.
The Queen Mother says since they put him on this stool, it has taken her 30 years now and still rolling.
So I want to find out how does she feels when visitors come for visit at this village?
Nana, we do obisa say kwan be so na ofa so nya atenka na say owo pese ofa so ya na ye wo say ahobo firi baabi omka so omoba krom ha ababehwe se de krom ha city a ya na wo hu aye wo say
obo krom say oba behwe kuru ya manage fi say yekuri ni na me say